Loyalty is something that cannot be bought. It is earned, and that is exactly what SLTMobitel, the connection, has truly understood. We're here for the unveiling of loyalty at the movies, an exclusive bouquet of movies available for Club Magnate members. Now, this is done in collaboration with Scope Cinemas. Stay tuned in. My name is Abid, and this is Pulse.
It is an absolute privilege to be a part of the Club Magnate customers. I'm sure that the loyalty membership will definitely benefit from the kind gestures of Mobitel.
Mobitel is one of the best network provider in Sri Lanka, and I am with them for over 35 years, and I find them everywhere in Sri Lanka, and I'm so happy with their services.